Welcome to Ant ERP, the smart, reliable solution designed to simplify your business operations. Today, let's explore one of the most powerful features built into our system, the help desk. It's your fastest way to get answers, support, and solutions anytime you need. To access the help desk, simply log in to your Ant ERP system. In the submenu, look for the headset icon and click it. The first time you use the help desk, you'll need to sign up. Just enter your name and email, then click on the sign up button. You'll instantly receive an activation email. Open it, click the link, and complete your profile by adding your name and password. Once activated, click on Activate and Login. And just like that, you're inside your help desk account. Need support? Click on New Support Ticket, enter the subject, describe your request, and if necessary, attach supporting files. Then hit Submit. Your ticket will appear instantly in the dashboard. Our support team will review it and respond as quickly as possible. You'll see updates and replies right here in your account. Once registered, you don't have to log in again. Every time you return to the help desk through Ant ERP, you'll be signed in automatically. With this simple and powerful help desk, you can get quick responses to any issue, doubt, or modification request. At Ant ERP, we're always here to support your success.